So let's check out a carousel banner. Now as always, you can preview just here and see exactly what it is you're going to be creating. Looks very cool, looks very complicated, doesn't it? But it really isn't. Let's go check out how easy this is. Simply click on the link here and it will load up all the defaults for you. Now if you like to read your instructions or you want to reference at any time, this little info icon here will pop out a banner guide. You can check this whenever you like, whenever you're in the creation process. The next one down is where we add our files. Now we can add our files by clicking on the Choose File button and browsing through to our computer. Let's just add a couple now. Now if you want to add more than one, which in this case we do because there's more than one face and more than one image we can see, we just click +1 and we can add as many as we like. For now I'm just going to keep that one just there so I can show you in the next stage. Click the X's and you can get rid of those. The next icon down lets us change the style of the banner. This is all the different colours, so you've got the background colour, you've got the sizes and the colours of the borders, and you've even got the buttons. It's very simple, just click in, use a colour picker, change it to whatever you want it to be. You can also change the button text, which you'll see in the top right in this particular banner. The next and final stage is the settings. Now here you can change the title so you can keep track of exactly what it is, because once you've got a lot of different banners in a list, it's easier to be able to glance and see the sizes, the content, maybe even the destination of these banners. You can change the width and the height here as well, so if I just change this here by typing it in, you can also use the arrow keys if you want to. And then what we can do is we can add images by using images that we uploaded in the previous step. Now I just grabbed this image and as you can see, it's actually repeating because it's not quite the right size. It's very important to get things the right dimensions and the right size that you want to use in the banner you're going to be using. You can then add the target link, and it's worth noting that each of these panels can have a different target. This means you can have different images showing, pointing to different places. This is very handy if you've got multiple destinations you want to send people to. We'll just leave these other two like that for now, but on here you can see you can either add another image panel, or you can actually add a YouTube panel. With YouTube, you put the video ID in here, and then also link it out. Now, this is very, very cool because it means you can add as many of these as you want, and as you'll see, they just keep going and going. Once you've done all that, you can then save it, you can download it, or you can preview it and see exactly what you've done. And that's all there is to it to make this fantastic looking carousel banner. Very simple, but incredibly good looking and incredibly effective.